Okay, 5.1 notes. 3 to the 4th power is called an exponential expression where 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent. So we're going to look at these properties. These are properties from Algebra 1. So we're just reviewing them. And if for some reason you do not remember them, please come in at lunch and let me help you. The first one is called the product property, and you don't ever have to be able to name the properties. That's not important. Excuse me, but you do need to be able to use them. A to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n power. So for example, if I had 5 to the 3 times 5 to the negative 1, this would be 5 squared. Now, if it's a small enough exponent that we know, then I'm going to expect you to expand it. 5 squared is 25. But if it's something like 3 to the 8th power, then we're going to leave it 3 to the 8th, okay? Unless it's a calculator part. All right, the power of a power says if I have a to the m to the n power, I'm going to multiply the exponents. So, if I have, let's say, 3 squared to the 4th, that's 3 to the 8th. And again, that's pretty big, so we'll just leave it as that. All right, power of a product. If I have a times b to the m, this is a to the m times b to the m. And this one is one that students tend to struggle with. Because what if I have 2x to the 3rd power? The most common mistake I see is students say that that's 2x cubed. So 2 cubed, that was 2, 4, 8. So that's small enough. We can figure that one out without a calculator. So that would be 8x cubed. The negative exponent property, if I have a to the negative n power, that's 1 over a to the n. So you may not leave a negative exponent in your final answer. That's considered unsimplified, like a fraction that's not reduced. Oops, sorry. So suppose I had 7 to the negative 2 power. That would be 1 over 7 squared, or 1 over 49. The zero exponent property says a to the 0 power is 1. Now that's not true if it's 0, okay? If I have 0 to the 0, that's 0. So if I have, 2x squared to the 0, it doesn't matter what's in there, that's still 1. All right, quotient of powers. If I have a to the m over a to the n, that's a to the m minus n power. So if I have x to the 7 over x squared, that would be x to the 5th. And then if I have a power of a quotient, if I have a over b to the m, that means you take the numerator to that power and the denominator to that power. So if I have 2 over 7 squared, that's 2 squared over 7 squared, which would be 4 over 49.